Hello, everyone. Welcome to HP Imagine. We're here in our Customer Welcome Center in New York City. And I'm Greg Kuziej. I lead Office Print Product Management for our Solutions team. And today I want to show you one of our new innovations that we're bringing to our devices, our enterprise class devices, as a matter of fact. And I'm going to show you our AI Guided Redaction solution. So in this case, I'm going to pretend to be a doctor, and I'm very interested in a radiology report that's come across my desk. And I want to save it for my research study. However, as part of the parameters of the research study, I need to remove any personally identifiable patient information as it relates to the document that I'm trying to archive and scan. So in this case, I have this radiology report. It's an X-ray report that I want to save into my archive. So I'm just going to load it onto the automatic document feeder on our Enterprise A3 class product. This solution is available widely across our enterprise lineup, both A4 and A3. Here we have the guided redaction button, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit that. And I've got this set up to just hit my AI redact. I'm going to be able to choose what types of fields I want to be removed or redacted. It gives the option for custom fields, and we'll be expanding this list over time. I'm just going to hit start, and it's going to scan it in just like normal. And because this is an edge-based or on-device processing, it comes back very, very quickly. And you can see that it's already come back with the redaction here on the front panel. I have the option to review them and look at the different fields that were removed. I can verify them. This is to my liking. These are the ones that I asked it to remove. So I can just hit apply all, confirm. And now I can go do whatever I need to do with the file, whether I want it to be saved to my OneDrive or sent to my email or my archive, whatever. In this case, I'm going to print it. And it's going to come out right over here, all locally processed. And again, because this is done locally on the device at the edge, these pixels are permanently changed before they ever leave this device. So this is great for any enterprise or environment where document security is very, very important. So you can see those are permanently removed. There's no holding it up to the light and seeing through it or anything like that. So whether it's printed in a physical form or saved and moved on in a digital format, before it ever leaves this device, those pixels, those fields are gone. They are changed permanently. So for the ultimate in document security. This is our AI guided redaction solution on HP Enterprise printers and scanners.